Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Amy. Welcome. And for those of you that have been with me since day one, I am happy to have you here. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, don't forget to do that. It is absolutely free. Let's get straight into this video. So today I bring to you guys UNICEhair or UNice. I don't know why people say UNice. I would actually pronounce it as UNice. Wouldn't you? I am going to be showing you guys a different texture of the headband wigs that I got from UNICEhair. So I wanted to open this in front of the camera with you guys. As usual, I get a wig cap right here. Then this time I got a Brazilian water wave headband wig. Damn. Oh wow. Love this. Texture was different. Okay, so we get the typical headband wig, which comes with the headband and the adjustable strap right here. And then we also have some clips inside. The construction of the wig is amazing. You get two clips. So one for the top crown and this is for the bottom, which is amazing. Then I got this as well. So I got nail stickers. I also got a pair of lashes. And then we also have headbands to rock the headband wig with. Different types of headbands. Right here, a black one, and final, a pink one. Guys, let's get straight into styling this headband wig. So the first things first, I'm gonna start by using this wax. So this is a hair wax, which is amazing to just tame my natural hair and just, you know, keep it sleek, and apply some baby hair in the front. Okay, so for my baby hair, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eco Styling Gel. I just prefer using this because I feel like it gives me like a really strong hold. So I'm just gonna bring out a tiny little bit of baby hairs. I don't even have any, but I'm gonna try and take out as much as I can. So I just went ahead and tied my hair. This way my hair could like lay flat. So I'm just gonna remove this now. Let's put a wig cap on. And I'm just gonna put this like at the back. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the wig. This is so cool, you guys. This is like the easiest ever. Like I could wear this every single day. Throw on and go. And then I wanted to show you guys the back so you can just see how I strap that. So I'm just gonna pull the two ends and just strap. And this is basically it. This is all you do to it. So I'm just pushing in the comb provided. I didn't even push this one in, but you can always go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna do it now. Okay, perfect. Looking cute. The hair is really, really nice and so soft. I really like the pattern of this hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the hair. So I'm just gonna brush it through. Wow. Okay, UNICEhair. I'm loving this. Absolutely love how big it went. You know what, guys? I really doubt that I'm gonna be putting any hair product in this because I am loving how full this looks, because I am loving the turnout of the curls just being brushed out. What do you guys think? Damn. Okay. This is amazing. So I'm gonna try and do a low ponytail, but I'm gonna spray some water just at the top right here, and then I'm gonna put it in a low pony like so. Okay, this is so cute for all you guys going back to school. You've got uni runs, you've got, you know, school runs and all of this. Busy, no time, quick and easy style, okay? Just put it in a low ponytail, put your headband on and run along. These headband wigs are actually so convenient, thinking about it, because before, when I first got sent one, I was a bit skeptical about it. I'm like, but then today I was in a rush and I didn't want to wear a wig. I just basically had one on. I'm like, poof, and off I go, and it was so easy. Just give it a go, give it a try, invest in one. I think you will not regret it, because you will kind of need these easy throw and go wigs sometime in your life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet these curls and see how that would look like. So I'm gonna spray some water. Just section the hair into half, and then we're gonna wet it. To activate the curls, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Bice Hour leave-in conditioner. So this is a shea butter moisture leave-in cream. It activates curls, softens and tangles free the hair, also moisturizes the hair. It smells so good. I'll link basically everything down below of where you can buy this leave-in conditioner, because leave-in conditioners are like really good to activate curls. They also leave the hair like quite moisturized and not looking too dry, you know. So I really like working with leave-in conditioners. I prefer leave-in conditioners to mousse. I also like mousse here and there, but I would rather use a leave-in conditioner than use a hair mousse. Sometimes the hair mousse can leave your curls very dry and crispy. I mean, just look at this. I really like how the curls turned out, because this is so beautiful. It feels really soft and also like super full, so it's like, I really like that. Okay guys, and that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys were inspired by the different styles and the different colored headbands by UNiceSEP. I will link every single information down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. The hair feels so soft, and obviously UNiceSEP have great feedbacks and great reviews from different customers, so check them out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye friends.